Is it the right time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the SPY ETF. We previously shared an overview on our website, but now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications so you stay up to date with our latest analysis. Staying informed is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Experience the power of artificial intelligence with free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked SPY as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.63. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this timeframe, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 5.53% since we first recommended buying SPY 17 days ago. This means it has delivered an average daily return of 0.33% since being listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and horizontal trend. Historically, this has presented a good selling opportunity. However, if the price breaks through the top trend line at $455.25, it could indicate a strong buy signal and a potential shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected -0.692% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between -10.48% and -0.523%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend indicates a 14.62% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 4.8% and 20.56%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $476.32 to $547.93 after a year. Our latest daily update for SPY brings an important headline: evaluation of SPY ETF downgraded after the last trading session. On the last trading day, which was Monday, November 27, 2023, the price of the SPY ETF experienced a decrease of 0.180%, going from $455.30 to $454.48. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.311%, hitting a low of $454.08 and a high of $455.49. It's worth noting that over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them, with a total increase of 3.15% in the last 2 weeks. Volume also saw an increase of 24 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This might be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 50 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $22.50 billion. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $459.44, while the lowest was $374.77. Currently, the price is 1.08% or $4.96 below the 52-week high, and 5.31% or $25.50 below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when it reached $479.98. Let's take a look at the signals for SPY, the popular ETF. The moving averages for both the short and long term are showing buy signals, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals is also suggesting a buy, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support expected at $453.34 and $434.88. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. We also have a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which is a positive indicator. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals as well, and these might have an impact on the stock's short-term performance. We observed a sell signal from a pivot top point on Friday, November 24, 2023, resulting in a 0.180% decline so far. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Yesterday, we noticed an increase in volume on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign and requires closer monitoring of the ETF. Now, let's talk about a significant event in the ETF's long-term chart. On Monday, March 27, 2023, the ETF had a golden star signal. This is an extremely rare combination where the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge. Historically, this has often been followed by substantial and sustained gains for the ETF. Are you looking for some interesting signals? Well, here they are. Let's start with the moving average convergence-divergence signal, which is a buy signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which was a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger signal gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average signal was a buy signal 20 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signal was a buy signal 18 days ago. Now, let's consider the relation between the short and long moving averages, which gave a buy signal 15 days ago. If we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average gave a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 12 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 40 days ago. Remember, if you want to discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the ETF has some key support levels. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume at $429.54 and $426.43. When an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If it breaks this support, the ETF may fall to the next level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $429.54. If that's broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $426.43 and $412.55. This ETF has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which means the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF had a price range of $1.41 or 0.311% between its high and low. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.505%. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for SPY. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for SPY at $455.03. If you're not currently invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could potentially be a level to explore for swing trading opportunities. On the flip side, SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock's price. For this ETF, we recommend setting the stop loss at $443.35, which is a decrease of 2.45%. This particular ETF tends to have moderate daily movements, which means it carries a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is at 81, indicating a higher level of risk. It's important to note that there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? While SPY holds several positive signals, we believe it is currently more suitable as a hold candidate or for accumulation. We recommend keeping or accumulating this position while awaiting further development. Our analysis has been downgraded from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Expect SPY to open at $454.68 and start trading with a $0.203 increase on Tuesday, November 28. Before we get started, it's important to keep in mind that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We highly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. It's essential not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so be sure to comment below and share your opinion. What target do you have for the ETF? Let us know. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're here to support your trading success and wish you a fantastic day.